I am telling you why Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo said this.
Good.
That is the information on my part as a journalist.
Good.
Many people are not bringing why Nana Addo can't we.
Good.
And we are not. And I need to inform my listeners. DNT Akufo-Addo can't. Having done this as my work as a journalist, in my personal opinion as Kofi Asante, I think the president was reckless.
Okay.
Why? Because with him, we are president too. John Mahama, fine, we're your opposition leader, but he doesn't carry. You are the leader, Ghana for Eddie Etumiamawa. In fact, when I was some mistake with Abba, I will blame the president for this spillage. Why? Because you are the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. So VRA, EBS spillage where you must be informed. National disaster. The president is informed about spillage where he knew it because they cannot do this spillage without official confirmation to the president. With him the havoc. VRA for him says almost able methodical department say omo right information. Now watch this. Nippon a den swim fish. Take me back to the people are swimming. The people have lost their dignity, their life, entire everything. Nipa Evans, watch this video. It is a president. What change? And Enra was how many days? So almost 6 days.
Yeah.
And I feel now because you traveled. And I feel what Babedu. Oh, Nana Addo.
Kofi.
The best thing you could have done was even not. And one say, example, me buy nano a yibia. Go straight. Let me help you.
Kofi.
Mammy. And nano a bia. Who can you obey Kenya? We are not the account. Example, nano me te say. John Mahama, former president Bahak, ebe can say bikra me maha because me nwe mo ho abusianfo medical man me mpanimfo we assembly adu anya wa na bia president medical ba anamo ayetu na me hwe kwan e be fa so a ma ye we let the people know. But if you want to react to John Mahama, you don't go to this extent and I'm on 12 mama and then